How to choose the best shipping provider for e-commerce business. Shipping provider for e-commerce business. Don't be a ship that follows the head. While choosing the best shipping provider for your e-commerce business with thousands of different shipping couriers to choose from, the process to figure out which couriers are best for your e-commerce business can be both time consuming and overwhelming. By the end of this post, you will know what you are the ways for filtering out the best shipping companies for e-commerce business. Wait, before anything else, you must see some stats related to the problem that customers face due to bad shipping, which may influence your thoughts while choosing the right shipping provider for your business. Start with analyzing what your product need. When reviewing different shipping providers, through examine the sizes, weight, and service afforded by the shipping companies. This knowledge will help you in determining which one best suit your business need. You may come across a few shipping companies that won't be suitable for your product, such as if you are selling medical supplement or food item. There are even shipping companies that do not provide service for very expensive or fragile items such as gold, diamond. Therefore, before opting for a particular shipping provider, understand their shipping policies and ask questions like, do they ship the product you sell or not? It's a critical to fix. Step back and look at your business liability. Most important, pricing and pricing. The second most important factor to consider during the hunt for shipping provider is pricing undoubtedly plays a major role in deciding which shipping carriers to opt for, and nowadays tons of e-commerce sellers are offering free shipping to capture the resources consumers trust and loyalty. However, the pricing factor also depends on what type of shipping method is used. Well, the costliest and fastest shipping method is a air forwarding shipping. An outline of well-known shipping provider and their pricing. United States Postal Service USPS. USPS is one of the best known shipping companies across the globe. At present, USPS offer three main shipping service. First class mail delivery within 2 to 5 business days. Priority mail delivery within 2 to 3 business days. Express mail 1 to business days depending on customer location. But choosing USPS as your shipping provider would only be a good choice if you ship item weighing more than 2 pounds. FedEx. FedEx is well known for its 1 day for overnight delivery. FedEx is the cheapest among UPS and USPS for packages expanding 3 pounds. Below are the service offering by FedEx US across all the 50 states. FedEx first overnight delivery on next business day by 8:30 to 9 or 9:30 a.m. FedEx priority overnight delivery on next business day by 10 a.m. FedEx standard overnight delivery on next day by 3 p.m. UPS. If usually ship in large volume package which exceed 3 pound, then UPS become economical. UPS also offer 3 days, 2 days and next day shipping depending on your needs. You can choose from the service afforded by them. DHL. DHL overall offers more than 220 countries with a variety of options to meet all your shipping needs. A survey in Asia shows that DHL ranks first among air freight express companies and logistics. DHL Smart Mail Parcel and DHL Smart Mail Parcel Plus both service guarantee delivery between 2 to 3 days. The prime difference between the two is DHL Smart Mail Parcel Plus has a maximum weight of 25 lbs, while DHL Smart Mail Parcel only has a maximum weight of 1 lb. Also, for DHL Smart Mail Parcel Plus charges a bit high. Do they offer live rates? Live rates are carrier calculated real time rates with the automatic computation of shipment rates based on the weight of the product, destination and other provider details. Attention option for 3PL shipping rates and shipping strategy. Carrier 3PL companies what product items are not delivered on time. Carrier suitability. Conclusion: